Welcome to this technical guide on the HP14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you can't access your files, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to a variety of reasons, such as a failing hard drive or corrupted data. If left unaddressed, you risk losing your important information permanently. In this video, we will show you how to safely extract the hard drive from your HP14, enabling you to recover your files. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a plastic spudger, and a new hard drive for replacement if necessary. It's essential to work in a clean, static-free environment to avoid damaging any components. To begin, ensure your HP14 is powered off and unplugged. Next, remove the back cover by loosening the screws located at the rear. Be gentle when using the spudger to pry the cover off, as excessive force could break the plastic clips. Once the back cover is removed, locate the hard drive, which is typically situated near the center of the device. You may see a protective bracket over the hard drive secured with screws. Carefully remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver and set them aside in a safe place. Disconnect any cables attached to the hard drive, taking care not to pull on the connectors too hard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the cables are freed, gently lift the hard drive out of its bay. If you're replacing it, take your new hard drive and slide it into the same position, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the cables, making sure they are securely attached. After that, replace the protective bracket and secure it with the screws you previously set aside. Now, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press it down until you hear the clips click back into place. Finally, power on your HP14 and check if you can access your files again. If everything works correctly, congratulations! You've successfully extracted and replaced your hard drive. To prevent this issue from arising in the future, regularly back up your data and monitor your hard drive's health using diagnostic tools. This can help you catch potential problems before they become critical. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.